Hello, Long Yesa. Me mang chan chang what grape oh come here. I am in Brentwood. This is the pot. This is the wool. And this is the grape. This is how grape look like. Um, but here, if you come closer, it's grown grape. It's small. I don't know. Is this a purple grape, a yellow grape, or orange grape, or green? Yim you to yung see oh. The fact that come closer, take a look. Right here, it's a lot. It's gonna be yummy when it get bigger. A lot. It's all the way over there. It's gonna be yummy when it's ready. But right now, it's not ready yet. You could come here, hang out. It's beautiful, right? I love it. It's so beautiful. It's like a pot. People walk around here. They go hiking. They go, and then they get to see beautiful, yummy grape. I don't know how to say pronounce correctly, so my English is bad, but that's all I can say. Not sure what color. It's not a lot. It's just something for the community to look at. This area is gated area. Chúng ta tập nhau nên là vừa mà lạt nhé, nếu hiểu lạt nhé béo. Điều này Jamaica nhé grape nhé, giống như tôi nhung xí ở. Giống như tôi mang phai. Purple phai xí yang phai, và này baby thằng nó này. Thôi này xuất thả hồ nó khu suốt lộ. It's gonna be yummy, sweet, organic. Thank you for watching. Just want to show you guys how they grow this from far away. It's so pretty. The way how it plant. All right, bye-bye.